Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to anyone that's new to my channel. I do hope you choose to stick around and subscribe. Now for today's video, as you can of course see from the title, I'm going to be using a bunch of affordable / drugstore makeup and just giving you guys a nice affordable makeup look. So I have a bunch of different brands to use today and these are all products that I genuinely love and actually use. So yeah, let's just get straight on into the video. For brows, I just used the Sleek Microfine Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. And then I also used the Sleek Brow Disc. I think this is the shade Medium Brown. And then for brow gel, I used the Collection Incredibrow Tinted Brow Mascara. This is my all-time favourite, it's incredible. And then for eyeshadow, I thought I could test out this Essence Cosmetics Witch Side eyeshadow palette. Like, can you see this packaging? It's so cool, I love it. And to prime my eyelids, I don't actually have a drugstore or affordable eyeshadow primer, so I'm just going to go in with my Sleek Life Proof Concealer. Just take a little bit. And then blend it out, of course. So I think I'm just going to start with this shade in the middle here called Supernatural and just blend that through my crease to start off with. Oh, okay. This shade looks really nice. Decently pigmented. I'm not going to do anything super crazy or creative. I'm just going to keep it simple, do a nice sort of everyday glam look. Just bring that on my outer corner. Yeah, that shade's really pretty, I like that. I like that a lot. And then to blend that out a bit further and soften it up a bit, I'm just going to take, where is it? This shade here called Magic. Ooh, this shade's really lovely too. These are really easy to blend out, which is good. Having no problems there. And then for the lid shade, I'm just going to take this shade here called Amulet, I think. Yeah, I think that's how you say it, Amulet, I'm not sure, but this one here. Let's just give that a quick swatch. Oh, that looks absolutely stunning. Ooh. That would be pretty as a highlighter too. Just take that on this flat brush. I think that might work better with my finger actually, but let's try it with the brush to start off with. Yeah, it's not really working too well with the brush, so let's try my finger. Oh, there we go, that's much better. So much better. That is absolutely stunning. I hope that's picking up on camera because that is gorgeous. Ooh. Go back in with this first brush from Unicorn Cosmetics and just blend it out. Or blend it into those browns. And there we go. Super simple, super quick. Let's take off the tape. And there we go. Right, now I'm going to go off camera like always, do the other eye, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back to do the base and lips. Right, so I am back. Lashes are on, and they are the Allure Camo Foam Ink lashes. They're just like super natural, sort of like a, I'll show you on the box. They're like a 3/4 lash, so they look super natural. Okay, so normally I like to apply this before I put on my eye makeup and that, just so that it has time to soak into my skin before I come on to base makeup, but I forgot to do that, so I'm going to do it now. This is the B by Superdrug Perfect Base Prep Oil. This is amazing. It works wonders on my dry skin for prepping it for foundation and all that, so I'm just going to do that now, leave that to sink in for a few minutes, and then come back and do my foundation and everything. And this smells like sherbet lemon. It smells incredible. Let's just rub that into my face. Now, if you're like me and you have dry skin, this is something I definitely recommend doing before you put on your foundation and everything. It just makes it go on so much nicer and less cakey and everything. It's amazing. Now I'm just going to leave that to soak in for a few minutes and I'll be right back. Hello, I am back and the oil is all nice and soaked in, so now it's time to prime, and I'm going to use the Lottie London Illuminating Coconut Primer. This smells like coconuts, obviously. Duh. And it looks so beautiful on the skin, like it's got a nice golden reflex to it, which I love. It gives such a beautiful glow to your skin. It just, oh my god, beautiful. So beautiful. Like, can you guys see how much of a nice glow that's given my skin? Love it. Right, and now, just because I like to be a bit extra, I'm going to spray some of this from Makeup Obsession on my face. And then now for foundation, I did want to use the Ordinary Serum Foundation, but at the minute I don't have a shade that matches me, so I thought I would use the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This is such a nice everyday foundation. I really like this, so that is what we're going to use today. I've loved this foundation for the longest time, even on my dry skin, because it's like a matte foundation. It still works really nicely. Now let's just blend it in with my beauty blender. If any of you have any recommendations for more affordable makeup sponges that work, please do let me know, because obviously the beauty blenders are like £18 each, which is so ridiculously expensive for a sponge. So I definitely need to try out some cheaper ones. What are some of your guys' favourite drugstore foundations? Let me know down in the comments. Now, before I do my concealer, I'm just going to talk through 3 that I really absolutely love. The first one is this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is my all-time favourite Holy Grail drugstore concealer, like nothing tops it. But at the minute it's slightly too light for me, so I'm not going to use this one today, but I do 100% recommend that. And then next we have the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. This one is amazing if, like me, you have dry skin. It's a great alternative to their original Conceal and Define. And then the one I think I'm going to use today is the Sleek Life Proof Concealer. This is amazing, love it, use it all the time. So let's just pop this on my face. The only thing I would say about this is I wish it had a bigger applicator, but the actual concealer is amazing, so I don't mind. Like, you do have to dip in a couple of times, but that's okay because obviously the product is great. Oh, and this is in the shade Flat White, which I think is the lightest shade they do. This gives some amazing coverage. Oh, what I should have done, I should have used their Life Proof colour corrector, but never mind. And now to set that all in place, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. So let's take a little bit on my brush and then swirl it around in the lid just to take off any excess so that I don't have too much. And then obviously set under my eyes. Now for the other eye. And now I'm not going to set the rest of my face today because I did use obviously a matte foundation, so I don't think I need to. Just quickly going to spritz a bit more of this on because I love it. It's just so nice and refreshing. Now my lips are feeling a bit dry, so I'm just going to pop on some of this Makeup Obsession Mango Lip Balm. This smells really good. Almost makes you want to eat it. But of course, that wouldn't be a good idea. Nice and hydrated. And now to bronze up my face and add some warmth to it, I'm going to use the Revolution Sculpting bronzer. This is super nice. I like it a lot. Let's just take some of that on this Unicorn Cosmetics brush. And just start to warm up my face. And choose the other cheek. And this is such a beautiful bronzer. It blends like a dream. Have you guys tried this bronzer yet? Let me know. And now for the forehead. And now to set all of that in place and help it melt into the skin nicely, I'm going to use the LA Girl Shimmer Spray in the shade Rose Gold. And you just got to shake it up like this. You can see there how beautiful that looks in the bottle. Let's just spray that all over my face. I forgot to do highlighter, so let's do that now. And I'm going to use this little one from Essence. I think it's literally, yeah, it's literally just called the highlighter. There's a little swatch of that there. Very pretty. Taking a little bit of that on this spectrum. Like, that's really beautiful. I love it. Do the other side. And take a little bit on my nose. Now I am shining like a disco ball, but I love it. Back to this Which Side palette. I still can't get over how cool this is, like, whoa. And what I'm going to do for my eyes is I'm just going to run the same shades that I used for my crease on my lower lash line. And let's take a little bit of that shimmer shade and pop that on the inner corner. And then apply a bit of this Catrice mascara. And then, as always, I'm going to go do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back to do the lips. And now, last but certainly not least, it's time for lips. And I have this little lipstick from London Copyright in the shade Temptation. And he just looks like this. Super nice brownie nude shade. It's picking up a little bit different on camera, but that's okay. It still looks super pretty. This seems to be picking up really dark and almost reddy burgundy on camera, but in real life it's actually a lot more lighter than that, but that's okay. You guys get the idea. Okay, so the lips and everything are on, all the makeup is done. Now I'm going to go off camera, sort out my hair, and I'll come back to show you guys the finished look. So here we have the finished look. What do you guys think? I really hope you enjoyed this everyday, affordable / drugstore makeup tutorial. And if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!